Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. Hypertension or high blood pressure affects 1 out of 3 adult population worldwide. And uncontrolled high blood pressure can lead to disability, poor quality of life, or even a deadly heart attack or stroke. In this video, we're going to learn 5 acupressure points that are known for helping with high blood pressure prevention and relief. The best medicines in our body. Let's tap into it. There are about a dozen acupressure points that can help with blood pressure. These 5 are well known. These are hugely important healing points in the body. Among other benefits, these 5 are best known for helping to balance the energy in the body and maintaining a stable blood pressure. 2 of them are on the head. The first one is the Bai Hui. It's on the crown of the head. It is a powerful energy point. Take your fingers to the top of your head. You can use fingers from one hand or from both hands. Apply gentle pressure and keep the chin tucked a little and massage the Bai Hui in a circular motion for a couple of minutes. Bai Hui is a two-way switch. Once stimulated, it either rise the energy or descend the energy, depending on the needs of the body. I have a video that gives great details regarding the power and the benefit of Bai Hui. I will attach a link at the end of this one. You might want to check it out later. After the Bai Hui, we're going to move to the Feng Chi point, the wind pool point. It is on the base of the head, right next to the tendons. The wind pool, also known as the gallbladder 20, is located in the area where the neck muscles attach to the base of the skull, on the lateral side of the tendons, in the hollow between the origins of the trapezius muscles and the tendons. When stimulated, the Feng Chi point, the wind pool or GB20, it can improve blood flow to the brain and lower blood resistance to prevent high blood pressure. You can tilt your head front and back slightly to find the point. It is very easy to find. Massage in a circular motion for a couple of minutes. If you happen to experience headaches, you will notice your headaches is reducing while working on this powerful point. And now let's go to the wrist to find the Nei Guan point, a master point on the pericardium meridian. Nei means inner, Guan, it has many different interpretations, and the best term that can accurately describe the importance of this master point will be the inner critical juncture. It treats chronic heart symptoms from qi stagnation. It opens and relaxes the chest, palpitations. It also helps with insomnia. Very powerful. It is 2 cun or about 3 fingers above the wrist crease between the 2 tendons. It's very easy to find. Use your thumbs to massage in a circular motion for a couple of minutes. Repeat on both sides. There are 2 more points that are very beneficial for high blood pressure. One is on the leg, one is on the foot. Shan Yin Jiao is on the inner side of the lower leg. It is the intersection point of the kidney, the liver, and the spleen. These 3 are considered the 3 yin in traditional Chinese medicine. Therefore, its name, 3 yin intersection. That's what San Yin Jiao stands for. When this point is treated, it will benefit all these 3 organs and its corresponding meridians. TCM doctors will tell you that no one they can think of that will not benefit from treating this point. By the way, this is a treasure point for women's health. For people who have liver yin deficiency like myself, this point is very easy to find. You often find a very pronounced depression over the spot. San Yin Jiao, when treated or stimulated, it nourishes the blood and yin. It regulates the blood when it is stagnant or when blood circulation is impaired. So it treats high blood pressure that is caused by kidney deficiency. Massage the point with the tip of your finger until you feel soreness. Maintain that level of pressure while rotating your fingers on the point for a couple of minutes. Then repeat on the second side. In traditional Chinese medicine self-care techniques, we always start from the left, as that's the body's direction of growth and nourishment. Now finding the San Yin Jiao on the right side. Line up your pinky on tip of the inner side of the ankle bone. Here's the point. You might also apply acupressure. Press down, then massage circularly, then press, massage, press, and massage. Moving on to our last one, the Tai Chung point, the great surge. It is on the foot, between the big toe and the second toe, where those toe bone meets. The point is quite deep. Tai Chung is a master point on the liver meridian. It is a gate point. It detoxes the liver when stimulated. Qi is very strong at this point. It's very powerful. We'll start with the left side. Use your thumb to dig into the point here. Apply firm pressure. Either massage in a circular motion or simply apply acupressure. Or you can move from the direction of the toes and coming up until the point cannot go anymore. If, when massaging this point, it feels tender, you want to continue to work on it every day until the tenderness go away. But if it doesn't feel anything, and massage or apply acupressure until the point feels tender. Once you finished with the left side, and switch to the right. Tai Chung treats digestive problems, abdominal pain, cardiovascular system diseases, and also nervous system that include high blood pressure, headaches, dizziness, and insomnia. Either massage or apply acupressure for a couple of minutes. The point is quite deep, so press harder to dig the thumb in. Friends, I hope you find learning these powerful acupressure points are helpful. If you are at a risk of developing high blood pressure, or you are already suffering from it, be sure to utilize them. For the best result is to incorporate the self-massage routines that was introduced in the previous video. Please do share this video with a friend or a family member so we all can explore these holistic self-care techniques. And sharing is caring. If you haven't done so already, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself.